Welcome back. Right now we are tracking bitter cold and gusty winds that will stick around for the rest of the week.
Which is why we have issued a weather impact alert. Let's turn things over to meteorologist Chesley McNeil with a look at what we can expect today.
Yeah, that 11 Live weather impact alert is mainly for the winds and the cold temperatures. Not really the rain that we had this morning. That's all gone. As a matter of fact, we're looking at those temperatures falling off this morning. We were starting off this morning with those temperatures in the 50s, and now the temperatures are down into the 40s. We'll eventually go down to the 30s as we head into the afternoon. The winds coupled with that will make it feel even colder out there. It could also blow around some of those loose limbs and some of those weakened trees that we have around our forecast area. The rain itself over toward Augusta, continuing to slide into parts of South Carolina, North Carolina. You can see where the clouds are still left over. A little bit of light rain could be in some spots, maybe some areas of drizzle still around. We're going to see the clouds stick around for much of the afternoon, but that wind already starting to pick up on us just a little bit as well. In fact, we have a wind advisory that will remain in effect until 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. Those winds anywhere between 15, 25 miles per hour. The gusts could be anywhere from 30 to 35 miles per hour, maybe even higher than that in some localized spots. But you can see just about our entire viewing area covered in that tan indicates the wind advisory that will last through tomorrow. Those gusts are what's going to get you, folks. We're already starting to see gusts in the 20 mile per hour range. We'll get up into the 30 mile per hour range as we head through the afternoon. We'll stay a bit breezy as we head through the overnight as well. I think it will stay in the 25 mile per hour range through the overnight, and with those temperatures down into the 20s, yep, it's going to feel like the teens out there. Right now, our temperatures are in the 40s, as you can see. Got a couple 30s out here, 39 degrees in Carrollton, got 38 up in Blairsville, 39 right now in Duluth, and when you factor in the wind that we have out there right now, those temperatures feel like the 30s. So you definitely need to bundle up if you're going to be going out and about for this afternoon or this evening as well, as those temperatures will remain on the cold side. Our 38 degrees will be our temperature by 3, going down to 32, right at the freezing mark by the time we get to 7 o'clock tonight. Guys, back to you.
All right, Chesley, thanks so much.